Hello, I hope you're well. My name is Niels Berghout. I'm the CEO and co-founder of SourceGeek. And in this video, I will tell you a little bit about our n8n node, where you can get profile information from running a LinkedIn Sales Navigator Search. So what we have here is our workflow. We have an empty Google Sheet here. We have our Sales Navigator Search here. So in this case, it's basically search for SourceGeek with my co-founder and myself. Of course, you can do your own search here as crazy as you want. And what we need to get this data out is basically use the URL from the result page, go to your workflow, start executing your workflow, submit that data, give it to the SourceGeek node, and our SourceGeek node will extract the data, will get basic profile information, and do something with the scripting, and will populate it into the Google Sheet. So the workflow just finished right now, and if you can see in the Google Sheet, both search results are inserted with first name, last name, and profile URL, and now you can use other nodes and other workflows to continue with that information. Thank you very much.